Hello, everybody. Welcome to a tropical update. Here's the wide view of the Atlantic right here, and we got pretty much one area to watch here. The area in the south central part of the Caribbean is now no longer on the National Hurricane Center 5-day tropical weather outlook anymore. However, they did state, regardless if it tries to form again or not, rain is likely to occur in parts of Central America that, of course, don't need it after being already impacted by hurricanes Ida and Iota within about 2 weeks of each other. So definitely don't need any more rain here. But if this tropical wave still is kind of vigorous enough, may give them some unneeded rain at this point. We also got an area of interest that may form over the next few days just to the south of Bermuda that has a low chance of formation. Let's go ahead and take a look at the latest National Hurricane Center outlook on it. A non-tropical area of low pressure could form between the Bahamas and Bermuda by early in the next week. The system could gradually develop its subtropical characteristics through the middle of next week while it moves northeastward over the western Atlantic. Formation chance for the next 48 hours, low, near 0%. Formation chance for the next 5 days, low, 20% chance. So it is possible this storm could get subtropical characteristics here, and if it does become our next name system, the next name up on a Greek list would be Kappa if it does get a name here. And here's a look at the Eastern Pacific right now with that post-tropical cyclone Polo. Recently became a post-tropical cyclone earlier this afternoon, and is not going to be a threat at all for any land areas. Wasn't really a threat in the first place for any land areas. Might be maybe a slight inconvenience for maybe any boaters or marine interests that happen to be directly under this, but shouldn't be much of a impact here. And you can see why the National Hurricane Center downgraded this to a post-tropical cyclone. The center of circulation is heavily sheared. I believe it's actually right about here, if I'm not mistaken, the center of circulation. And you can see even better in this water vapor satellite imagery view why the National Hurricane Center, of course, degraded this down to a post-tropical cyclone, heading into really unfavorable sea surface temperatures and really unfavorable dry air. You can see all around it. Dry air is getting really entrained into the system, of course, and hence why they called it a post-tropical cyclone this afternoon. And here's a look at the Western Pacific here and other parts of the world. In the Western Pacific, no suspect areas are tagged by the Joint Typhoon Warning Center. However, in Arabian Sea, they do have an invest here, Invest 94A, which has at this point in time, a low chance of development, a low chance of tropical development, unlikely within the next 24 hours. However, it is something to watch here. Some of the models have it developing into a tropical cyclone here as it kind of moves northwest or westward here. So there's something to watch here with time. And of course, if that becomes anything, I'll try to make an update on it. And yeah, that's going to be about it worldwide here. Here's a quick look at the Greek alphabet. Tropical cyclone names for the Atlantic here. We, of course, already, you can mark out alpha, beta, gamma, delta, epsilon, zeta, eta, theta, and now iota. And if we do get a name out of that area of interest, just to the south of Bermuda, it'll be given a name Kappa. So it'd be almost halfway into the Greek alphabet if that storm does form, which has a low chance of doing that. But of course, that could easily change. So we'll just keep an eye on it. But if it does form, it will be really close to reaching halfway through the Greek alphabet, which is just insane to even fathom or think about us doing here. Given the fact that we're nearing the end of this hurricane season. Officially, the hurricane season ends on November 30th. However, it isn't impossible for a tropical system or two to develop after that time in December. That happened in 2005. I'm not going to say it's going to 100% happen in this season. You never know, but it seems more likely than not that we might get at least one more storm here that forms between now and the end of the year here. I would say, in my opinion, at least here. So I'll just keep a close eye on that, and if that forms, I'll of course let you guys know. But right now, fairly inactive in the world of the tropics right now. If anything, you might have to pay close attention to Invest 94A in Arabian Sea. That could become perhaps a tropical depression or a tropical storm over there. And there's something to keep tabs on. But other than that, that's going to be about it for this tropical update here. A little bit on the short side here. and hopefully we don't get any more tropical systems worldwide here. But you never know. GFS is hinting at potentially getting some more activity in the North Indian Ocean or the Arabian Sea here, so we'll of course see about that. But right now, tropics are fairly inactive, and that's going to be about it. So I hope everybody has a great. But before I say that, actually, if you have any questions or comments, leave that in the comment section below, and I'll try to answer them to the best of my ability. And if you want to know all the links and sources that I use for this topical update, are also down below in the description. Just click on them yourself, and you can get a look for yourself if you want to see what's currently going on in the world of the tropics here. If you're curious. So yeah, that's basically about it for this topical update here. A little bit on a short one. So far an inactive day today, which is obviously great news to hear. After having a complete chaos earlier this month, with of course Typhoon Goni, then Hurricane Ada, then of course Hurricane Iota, and some other storms besides that. So it's been a crazy November so far. Hopefully, it doesn't be like that the rest of this month here. So yeah, that's pretty much gonna be about it for this topical update here. Hope everybody has a great day or night. Wherever you are, stay safe, and till then, see you guys in the next video, I guess. Peace.